Number 12. Here you have the angle measurement of PQS. So where's P? Here's Q and here's S. So they're looking at this angle. Right? And then we have this angle of PRS. Okay. And we're asking to find PS here. We're asking to find this. Well, the fact that these two inscribed angles share the same arc, we can now set them equal to each other. We can say that angle PQS is equal to angle PRS. Okay, we can say that 6x plus 1 is going to be equal to that blue part of 34 minus 5x. Why can we do that? Well, because here the inscribed angles share the same arc. Okay, because their arcs are the same, the inscribed angles have to be the same. All right. Okay, now you can solve. So add 5x to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with an 11x on the left. Plus 1 is equal to 34. Minus 1 to both sides. You get 11x is equal to 33. Divide by 11, you get x is equal to 3. So you can say that x is equal to 3. Now you want to find that measurement of arc PS. PS is the arc, but you need to know that this is the arc, right? Yeah. We know that if we 1/2 the arc, that's going to be equal to the angle. So we just need to know what the angle is. Well, let's find out one of the angles, right? So here's one of the angles. PQS was in red. So let me change the color for you. So the arc, the angle of PQS is equal to 6x plus 1. Let's substitute that 3 in. 18 plus 1 is 19. So we know that the angle is 19. So I'm going to erase the angle. Right? And that is equal to, let's say, 19. Okay? How do we get the arc? Well, if we multiply by 2 to both sides, right? This cancels. This gets you the arc is equal to 19 times 2. Right? This gets you 38. So you can say that arc of PS is equal to 38. Okay? So there you go. That is how you solve for x and find the arc measurement.